Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where हमारी टास्क का दृष्टि and महत्व. So in today's video we are going to make Kawaii Notebook. We will take any colorful paper and fold it and cut it and again fold it and again cut it. So now we have cut it our paper. Now we will take any sheet and then cut it into 4 pieces. Then we will cut it of the size of the colorful paper. And now we will staple our sheet. Now we will put the colorful paper on the staple side of our writing sheet. Now same with the back side. Now we will draw the eyes of our notebook. We will color the eye with black sketch. Now we can use any whitener or white acrylic for putting dots in the notebook's eyes. Now we will take any origami paper and then fold it in triangular shape and then cut our flower. Now paste the cutout of the flower into same with other papers. Now we will paste our cutouts and then paste glitter in it. And now we will put a smile and our kawaii notebook is ready. If you like our video, then please click on the like button, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel. Thank you.